Your Honor, I've had an opportunity to go over the document that court did refer me to. I would like, his mother is here who has been testing him through this entire period.
She has been testing him?
She's been testing him. I would like you to hear from her if you're willing to listen prior to a request I'm going to make to possibly delay or adjourn this for a couple of short weeks while my client, this stuff is moving out of his system. He's been compliant in terms of showing up, except for one day he missed work, but he went in the next day. He claims he has not used since he got out of jail. Well, actually, before he went into jail for the 10 days. And we would ask that, Your Honor, if
that was in
Your Honor, he was released from jail on May 15th.
That's what I thought.
Right.
And he's saying he hasn't used since May 15th?
Before then, because he was in there for 10 days.
He went in May 2nd, Your Honor.
I mean, Mr. Wagner, I'll certainly hear from Mom, but I would also indicate to you that part of it shouldn't be in his system this long.
And Your Honor, I just wanted to update the court. They do have another test that he did on July 8th that also came clean. So
July 8th came back clean.
So July 2nd and July 8th, he's had clean tests.
Well, right, except...
Correct. There's been a month and a half.
Well, no, I'm talking on July 2nd. I'm not sure that that's a clean test.
A defense lawyer has made a bold move, asking the court to push back a hearing. His reason? He says his client has been showing up as required, staying sober, and just needs more time for any remaining drugs to leave his system. The judge isn't convinced, but the attorney insists the man has followed all the rules since getting out of jail.
Clear, but I do see the creatinine.
The creatinine.
Creatinine comes generally through energy drinks as well, Your Honor, and it may not be a violation.
Yeah, I know. But let's put it this way. He's positive on the 27th of June, and then the 2nd he's negative, but I have abnormal creatinine and never had abnormal creatinine throughout any of the testing that's listed here. So that
First one for me too, Your Honor.
yeah, so that's a problem in my mind. I'll hear from his mother if that's what you wish me to do.
Ma'am, can you come forward?
Yeah. Good morning.
Morning.
Which I know you're nervous.
I've never been here before. I don't know the.
You know, me too. I feel that way every day. All right. What's your name?
Tracy Knudsen.
All right. What did you want to tell me?
Just that I bought these. He was a regular user prior to all these events, and I purchased a testing kit that tests for 5 levels of THC in the urine, and throughout the time through the course of May and June, I was able to see him clear the levels of the testing kit, within one or 2 weeks past, another level would clear negative. But at the more sensitive levels, it took him longer to pass. So I believe that he was not using any substances. I don't know about I don't know what that is.
All right.
So I can't speak to that. But anyway, he over time, but it did take him a month and a half to clear through the at-home test kit that I was able to purchase online. I mean, I know it's not the same level of testing that they do here. So that's all. But just wanted to say that at home, I was able to see improvements.
His mother has been testing him at home with THC kits, week after week. Each time, the results showed the levels going down. She's seen him go from regular use to gradually testing clean. The kits aren't perfect, but the progress is clear. She's more than just a bystander, she's seen the change happen every day.
I thank you for that.
And I know that it does, I've just been told it takes, because I was frustrated. Why aren't you testing negative?
I know.
So I know that it takes a long time to get out of the system, and he was a regular, unfortunate daily user before.
Yeah. And I mean, all right. I mean, I get it. And just so that you know, the creatinine level, his abnormal creatinine, and I'm not sure which test you got, but that doesn't matter. There are ways, particularly with some of the levels, that those tests can be fooled, and our test picks up other things. How long have you been testing him?
When did you start testing?
Oh, 2 years ago.
Okay.
But I mean, he was always testing positive on the test, but we started this test, this level, where it had the 5 levels last summer, and then again recently, just throughout May and June.
Got it.
But it only tests for THC.
Yeah, no, that's fine. And that's, for him, that seems to be his issue. All right. Okay. Anything else you want to tell me, ma'am?
No, I don't think so.
No?
Just that he's been doing, it's really great to see him lately.
It is?
He's been doing great since he's been staying sober.
Got it. Important. Okay. Thank you.
Thanks.
You did fine for not being here, before.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Sorry.
Young man, how old are you?
20.
The judge listens to the results but points out one test with unusual creatinine levels, which raises concern. The mother doesn't understand the technical details, but she knows her son is making an effort. She's witnessed his progress firsthand. Still, the judge remains cautious. Home testing alone isn't enough to fully win him over.
Anything you want to tell me?
I can't,
I said anything you want to tell me.
Yeah, I just wanted to say that I was such a heavy user before that's probably why it took longer to take out of my system. I was using every day, anytime I could, and I learned a lot from jail, and I stopped using after that, and I didn't know why the tests kept coming back positive.
I have an idea probably why it's coming back positive, but I'm not gonna go there. Okay, here's what I'm gonna do. I think Mr. Wagner knows me well enough to understand. He asked, would I hear from Mom? He knows I was going to. Because she knows you better than anybody. And oddly, although sometimes you may not think so, probably he loves you more than anybody. She's been trying to tell you to stop this. Why do you think she's telling you that?
I can't hear him. Can you hear him?
You can't hear me?
No, I
Can
can't.
you get... We got some equipment, Mr. Wagner.
Because she knows it's bad for me, and
I'm not having a
She's-
Biden moment on this.
Yeah, it's bad.
It's hard.
she's seen the negative effects it has on me, and all the negative consequences.
So, when she's seeing that and pleading with you, I'm sure there's just been sort of pleading in prayers, a mother's prayers. Why don't you just stop?
Well, I have stopped.
Okay. Before that. before we get into any of this other stuff here, why didn't you stop?
Oh, before I went to jail. I was addicted, and it is a much heavier drug than it used to be, and the levels that you can get now are much.
Oh, I know that.